Ambition is the strong desire to achieve something. So everyone has an ambition to become something. Some want to become doctors, some want to become teachers, engineers, lawyers, and Indian Army, and everyone has their own ambition. So, I would like to ask you today about your ambition. What do you want to become? What is your ambition in life? What is your ambition in your life?
I want to work for the Indian Administrative Office.
You want to become an IAS officer in your life.
Yes,
Why did you choose that ambition?
uh, because from since my childhood, it is one of my dream that I serve something to my country and its people.
Who inspired you to choose this goal?
My family members, mainly my grandmother.
Your grandmother inspired you to focus on that goal.
First, I would like to stay connected with current affairs and improve my communication skill, leadership skills, and have attitude with never give up. And with I do my work with discipline and patience.
Then tell me, what challenges do you think you might face?
The challenges that maybe I face is remembering the dates of history, and there are so many students who are now preparing for this exam. So to compete with them, it may be a great challenge.
Yes. To have your ambition, you have to do hard work. Okay. Without hard working, nobody can have his or her goal or destination. Okay. And everyone has to do their hard works. Okay. Can you give your valuable time and your life doing hard work to have in your destination?
Yes, obviously.
Have you ever thought that somebody must be there who can show you the way, which way to go and what to do?
Yes, my parents are the precious treasury of motivation, and they always motivate me. Like I can do it anything.
Okay. With your parents' motivation, and you can improve and you can have your destination. Okay. Your parents are your motivation and your parents are your inspiration. Okay. Okay. Do you know someone who has achieved this dream?
Yes, Mr. Dibyakritti sir, and he is one of the successful IS. He is one of the most famous IS officer, and he is also now giving coachings to other aspirants.
Okay. Now tell me, what subjects and skills are important for your ambition?
The main subject is social science, and the skills have that communication skills and leadership skills. You have must if you want to an IS officer.
Okay. How do you think that how will your ambition make your life better?
Like for serving for the country is a great opportunity for me, and I will be very happy if I got a chance to serve something for for my country. I bring a lot of positive change in it.
Will you support corruption?
No,
Why?
corruption is not a good thing.
Okay. Why did you choose to become an IS officer, to earn more money or to serve the people or country
To serve,
and country?
to serve the people and country.
Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Okay. ताली ही जाओ तपाईं. Claps for her. Claps for